Hello and welcome. I'm finishing COY's back end. The interior parts and the rubber door seal are fitted. The carpet is tucked under the seal and the catch plate, and the door catch adjusted properly. The two plastic corner plates need to be fitted. I made sure the catch engaged easily and the door sealed properly. I made sure that it shut straight by adjusting the rubber corner stops. Now it's time to fit the glass. We're lucky we can refit our own windows on a Delta. The glass isn't bonded in. So I cleaned the glass, then sprayed some WD on the inner seal, and I fed some good strong string into the seal, finishing at the bottom edge. I located the glass and the top seal edge into the door frame. The WD lubricated this operation. With the top edge engaged, I carefully opened the door. The string needs to be pulled out from inside to loop the inner window seal over the frame. I don't want the door to spring up and chuck the glass out. Now I've tucked one end of the string into the rubber, so I'll have to get that out. You need two ends of the string. So simply push the glass in as you pull the string out, and that'll pull the rubber inner edge over the frame. With that, the window is installed. We can now open the door again and run those dangling heated screen wires under the rubber up to the plugs and plug them into the window. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.